Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I came up, well, not how I came up with, but you know, the preview of this template, and also the assembly of it. It was really quick, simple. I just used regular paper. um, this is how it looks, this is how it came out. I just love it. I think it's cute and adorable. So, you know, the templates of this will be on my Patreon page. If you want to see how I put it together, then, you know, keep watching. But I'm going to see you guys soon. Bye. Alright, you guys. So to get started, I have my little packs of peanuts. And I also have my template. Um, you know what? Let me get my double-sided tape. Okay, so I got my double-sided tape. And I'm just doing this with regular paper. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the double-sided tape on top of it so that y'all know when I go to put this on here, it's directly in the middle. Alright, put the double-sided tape out for the way. Then I'm also going to tape the top of this down. You don't want all that sticking up. That's just unnecessary. Okay, so I pretty much taped the edges. I taped the edges down and I put a strip of double-sided tape on the front of it. And then I'm just going to take my label, pretty much eyeball where the front of it is, so that you know the double-sided tape can go on there. And then you just push down. And you pretty much got it on there like that. All you're going to do is go to the back, fold the sides in. You guys know you can use tape, you can use glue sticks. At this point, I mean, you can use pretty much whatever you want to get this bad boy stuck onto this, come on now, onto this peanut thing. I'm just using some tape, nothing fancy at all whatsoever. Literally using transparent tape to do this. But because it's transparent tape, pretty much when I'm putting it on here, it just looks like it is disappearing. Then, of course, for the inside, you want to hit it with some double-sided tape. That way you can just close the flaps, closed, and I mean push them closed, and you know it just stays like that. Now, come on, shoot, stay in there. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and put the double-sided tape down on each end. My phone is ringing, and then I'm going to come back. Alright, so I pretty much just pushed the edges together to seal in the double-sided tape. And then I, of course, took my paper crimper and, you know, crimped it. And that is pretty much what it looks like. As you see, you can't really see the tape. My husband keeps calling y'all. Can't really see the tape at all. I think it came out really good. It looks cute. If you have any questions on this at all, of course, the template is going to be on my Patreon page. Feel free to ask. And as always, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.